Welcome back to Organized Mom and Dollar Tree. All new organizing product lines to get you organized this year. Some incredible ideas. And I watched them come out with these desktop organizers. Now this is on an end cap in my store, and this is all brand new. Like office supplies. Not only are they high quality, but I love how the bin dips down like this. I think these would also be fantastic to organize your fridge. I love these magnetic dry erase boards. Not only are they gorgeous, I love the colors. This would be awesome for meal planning. Come with a dry erase marker too, and a magnet. Lots more fridge organizing to come, so stay tuned. They also have these gorgeous organizers I love with this rose gold detail. They even have these really cool tape dispensers, which I love. I also love the cork boards. They come in felt and they come in classic cork. These are awesome. To-do lists are my favorite. I use them all the time. Right now, I wanted to share with you the new colors that I've seen. This beautiful periwinkle blue, as well as this green. A great organizer for the refrigerator, and my ultimate favorite product to use are these can organizers. I want to remind you to keep it practical. I love these containers with handles on them. They also come in a blue version. They're excellent in the top of your fridge. Locker bins are amazing if you're doing top-to-down organization, and I love them because their plastic works really well when it's frozen. Next time you're at the Dollar Tree and you see a cool product, I want you to ask yourself, will this make my life easier? Will this make my day-to-day more simple for some people? That might look different than it does for others. But try to find products that actually make it easier for you. Things that you love. And there's one that I do love, and that are these silicone lids for your storage containers. These are easy to wash. They stretch over all of my bowls too, which makes it really convenient, especially if you need to reheat food. I love this one. And now I want to talk to you about cleaning just for a second. I know that cleaning is not really the most fun thing. It's not my favorite, but there are some new cleaning products at Dollar Tree. Never before seen, and the first is this Home Bright line. These are plant-based cleaners, and I have been really enjoying using them. They got a plant-based granite and marble cleaner. These are also good. They have this Arm & Hammer essential soap. These carpet room refreshers. This one is clementine and basil, and I love it. This not to be missed product. These drawer organizers. They're great for underwear, socks, and tank tops. My friends, follow your heart.